When you're working on a crochet project, eventually you will get to the point where you run out of your working yarn and you need to join the new yarn in. Traditionally, you can just slide the new yarn into these loops and then keep on working. However, by doing so, you leave two ends behind to weave in later, and if the ends is not long enough, there's a risk that the yarn would undone by itself at some point. Today, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to join this yarn together, and it's called the magic knot. So to demonstrate this knot, I'm gonna use this orange yarn. The knot, it's very simple by itself. You basically make a loop and then put the tails into the loop to create a knot. That's the knot. Then you pull tight to close the knot. Okay, so when you want to tie this yarn onto something, you do the same thing. You make a loop and then put the tails into the loop and then pull tight to close the knot. And that's it. You're gonna do the same to join this yarn by creating two knots like that. First knot, you put this yarn around the other yarn, and then you make a loop like that and then put the tails into the loop to create a knot, and then close the knot like that. Okay, and then with this new yarn, you're gonna make the same knot onto this yarn by just putting it around, make a loop, put the tails into the loop, and then close the knot. You want to make sure that you really close the knot tight. So this one the same, you close it tight, and now you can hold on to this and pull the knots against each other like that, and check one more time so that it's really tight. Now you can cut really close to the knots. Done. You can see that the joint is almost invisible. You can actually trim this so that it looks neater, like that, and it's really secure. It leaves no ends behind to weave in later. Just gonna go on with your project as usual. Just like that. This one I'm working on is a sweater. It is a very easy crochet pattern, and I'm making a tutorial for it. If you want to know how to do this, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.